3 farm animals that would easily survive in the wild. Number 1. Goats. One of the most famous animals that have the ability to survive in the wild when not domesticated are goats. Certain wild goats have been surviving in the wild for ages, and their climbing abilities to help them escape from enemies. Number 2. Pigs. Pigs are intelligent animals and can survive in the wild. Their sharp tusks can help keep away other wild animals, and their digging abilities will help them catch prey for food. Number 3. Chickens. Chickens are expert at scratching the ground for seeds, insects, and worms, and their brief flying ability can help them run away from prey. While not the best, they have a good chance of surviving in the wild.